Hi, everyone. My name is Jeremy Barlow, and I'm the CEO of Carrot, the end-to-end visual diagnostics platform that's already been used for over 5 million exams and running. Today, I'm really excited to show you all our new feature called Protocols, which allows you to group a bunch of different tests together to help speed up workflow and standardize care. So when you log into your Carrot account, if you go into your device, and as you're setting up a new patient, you'll see a new section called Selected Protocol. Underneath here, I have created a couple different protocols for different types of workups that I do, like a comprehensive eye exam, a neuro screening, macular assessment, or even a glaucoma suspect. Some really cool features here, right? It tells you, how many tests are within a particular protocol and about approximately how long this is going to take. So you can see for our glaucoma suspect, we have two tests, a pupillometer and a central 24-2. It's going to take 2 to 7 minutes. In our macular assessment, we have two tests, color vision and a 10-2. Will take 3 to 7 minutes. Our neuro screening has 3 tests, pupillometer, ocular motility, 30-2, takes 4 to 9 minutes. And our comprehensive eye exam, which has 5 tests, and that takes about 3 to 6 minutes, inclusive of contrast sensitivity, pupillometer, color vision, ocular motility, and a visual field screener. So on this protocol, when I select it, it will automatically pull in all my settings for what I do for, in this case, a comprehensive eye exam automatically. And then I'm ready to go and start my exam. So you can see easily how not only this will speed up your workflow, but ultimately will help in standardizing care across your practices. Now, to set these up, all you need to do is go to your settings here in the top bar, and then underneath settings, go down to user defaults, and then you'll see this test protocols section here. Under test protocols, you can create a protocol, and similar to when you are setting up a new patient, just select select the different exams that you want to have. We'll call this test template, and then save. And now you can see that that is here on your list of protocols. Now we have the star. If you want to star it, it'll automatically make sure that it shows up. It's one of your favorites, and it'll make sure that it shows up as an option in that dropdown that I showed before. It's just that easy. And you can even set up what you want your default to be. So let's say most of your days spent running comprehensive eye exams, you can set that as your default. And then let's say if the next day you actually have a bunch of glaucoma patients, you can switch that up, right, for that day. So really easy to, again, help speed up workflow. Lastly, we actually have, if you're an admin, organizational defaults where you can actually lock protocols for all users to ensure that the protocols that you've set up at an org-wide level get used. So individual users cannot override it. So again, super important for standardizing care. And then you can even hide system presets org-wide if you wanted to. We're really excited about this new feature. So let us know what you guys think. Have a great day.